Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change group profile picture on WhatsApp. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your WhatsApp and click on the group chat that you want to change the profile picture. And now click on the name of your group chat and click on edit at the upper right corner of your screen and click add photo. Now choose photo and choose the image that you want to set as profile picture. Now you can adjust it, but I'm good right here. And click choose at the lower right corner of your screen and click done. And now once you check your group chat, you can see that the profile picture is now changed. So that is how you change your group photo on WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.